Let's start with the reality we're all dealing with right now. RAM prices are going up, GPU prices are going up, and it's not just those. I hate to say this, but most PC components are heading in the same direction. And we're not just talking about one brand or one product, alright? It's the whole market shifting as a whole.
Why? Why?
Between supply pressures, demand, and massive push toward AI, prices have changed, and honestly, no one really knows when exactly things will get back to normal, and because of that, PC building today feels different. Every upgrade costs more, and every part you choose carries more weight than it used to. So in this video, the goal is simple. We're not here to chase spec charts or compare 10 different kits. We're going to look at what good RAM actually means in today's market. We'll show real-world gaming performance using the XPG Lancer RGB DDR5 DRAM, compare XMP on versus off, and talk about why brand reliability matters more now when upgrades are no longer cheap mistakes. What is up, good people? This is Jay. Now let's get into it. When we talk about RAM performance, most people jump straight to speed, numbers, and capacity. But in real use, especially in games, it's not just about how much RAM you have, it's about how it's configured and how consistently it performs. Now, let's check out how the XPG Lancer RGB DDR5 DRAM performs in real gaming scenarios with XMP on and off. Keep in mind that in a lot of new builds, XMP or Expo isn't enabled by default. So taking a moment to check your BIOS, ensure your RAM is actually running the way it's designed. In the past, mistakes were easier to live with. Today, with higher costs across the market, every component choice sticks with you a little bit longer. That's why RAM isn't just about speed anymore. It's about reliability, knowing it'll run stable today, tomorrow, and years down the line. This is where brand trust comes in. See, ADATA, the parent company behind XPG, has been in the memory and enthusiast space for years, with products showing up in gaming builds, creator rigs, and high-performance systems. When you're spending more on your PC because of market conditions, choosing a brand with a proven track record just makes sense. For sure, you'd want to have the confidence that your system will behave the way it should, right? Now, RAM today isn't just a technical decision. It's a part of how your build comes together. For example, the XPG Lancer RGB DDR5 DRAM is the right choice for modern setups where performance and visuals go hand in hand. And for a tighter SFF or small form factor builds, the XPG Lancer blade focuses on performance without the extra height, perfect for cases where clearance matters. So when you step back, the question isn't just how fast is this RAM, it's whether it performs properly when it matters, stays reliable over time, and comes from a trusted brand. So when you think about it, this really comes down to buying smart. With PC building costing more because of market shifts, every component choice carries more weight than it used to. To make it easier, let's do it this way. Good RAM today needs to do 3 things: deliver great performance, offer proven reliability, and suits your build. Now, that's the standard XPG builds its memory around. You're not just buying RAM for today, you're choosing something you'll live with for years. And that is it for us in this video. Now, to know more about XPG's latest products and offers, be sure to check out their socials. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Again, my name is Jay, telling you to keep that smile, stay positive, rock on, and rock hard.